Hello Jeremy, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this 2018 DRZ 650. This motorcycle is a pre-owned. They have 2,228 kilometers and price is $57.88 plus HST and license. This motorcycle comes as an extra for the previous owner. He put a customized seat, a little bit more cushy and soft, and it comes with a cargo net if you need it to transport sound. It comes with the bike, so we don't take it off. So this is the way that it comes. The seat is very cushy for the passenger too. So bike is available, fully safety certified. If you have some more questions, please give me a call. Phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.